Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. Happy Sunday. So today I have two Walgreens hauls for you guys. These deals started today, which is February 20th, and they are good up until Saturday, February 26th. But before I get into these deals, if you are new to my channel and you are not currently subscribed to me, I would really appreciate if you will go ahead and click that red subscribe button along with the notification bell so that you will be aware of each and every time that I upload weekly videos. With that being said, let's go ahead and get right into it. Also, guys, I will have a Google document linked in my description box below, just in case you guys want to print that off and take that to the store with you. So I did two transactions. On both transactions, I did use a digital booster. So we're going to go ahead and get started with my first transaction. So in my first transaction, I grabbed the Schick Hydro Skin Razor, the Schick Hydro Touch Up, the Schick Extreme, Dove, and then the two Colgate. So we're going to go ahead and get started with the Dove. So I grabbed 3 of the Dove hand soaps. This is the Pampering Care 13.5 ounce. These are priced at Walgreens for $3.99, and they are buy one, get one 50% off. And then also when you buy 3, you will receive $5 in Walgreens cash rewards. So what you're going to want to do is you're going to want to purchase 3. 2 will ring up at $3.99, and then 1 will ring up at $1.99. So that's going to bring your total to $9.97. We do have a $3 digital coupon on the Walgreens app. So $9.97 minus the $3 digital coupon, that will bring your total down to $6.97. Then you will receive back that $5 in Walgreens cash rewards for buying 3. So that will bring your total down to $1.97. But if you check your Fetch Rewards app, Fetch Rewards is giving back 1,250 points. That's $1.25. The limit is 5. I purchased 3, so 125 times 3 is $3.75. So you will pay $1.97, and then you will get back $3.75 from Fetch Rewards, making all 3 bottles completely free, plus a $1.78 moneymaker. So this is a really nice, easy deal to do, you guys. Now keep in mind that not every account is going to have the same amount. So I have $1.25 on my account. You may have $2, or you may have 75 cents. So just base your calculations on what you have. And then next up with the razors, they are spend 20, receive $5 in Walgreens cash. So I grabbed the Schick Sensitive Hydro Skin. I grabbed the Schick Hydro Touch Up, and then I also grabbed the Schick Extreme 3 Sensitive Razor. So the Hydro is priced at $8.99. The Hydro Silk Touch Up is priced at $5.99, and then the Schick Extreme 3 is also priced at $5.99. So that's going to bring your total to $20.97 for all 3 items. Each of these items has a $4 digital coupon. So $4 for the Hydro, $4 for the Silk, and $4 for the Extreme 3. So $20.97 minus the $12 in digital coupons, that's going to bring your total down to $8.97. And then when you spend 20, you will receive back that $5 in Walgreens cash. I did receive back that $5 in Walgreens cash, bringing my total down to $3.97 for all 3 items, or it makes each item $1.32 each. But of course, I didn't pay that because I did pair this transaction with a digital booster. And then lastly, I went ahead and grabbed 2 of these Colgate Total toothpaste. And these are priced at Walgreens this week for $3.99. When you buy 2, you will receive $4 in Walgreens cash rewards. So you're going to want to purchase 2 at $3.99, and that's going to bring your total to $7.98. We do have a 3 off of 2 digital coupon on the Walgreens app. So $7.98 minus that $3 digital coupon, that's going to bring your total down to $4.98. And then you will receive back that $4 in Walgreens cash rewards for buying 2. That's going to bring your total down to 98 cents for both, or it'll make each one just 49 cents. So That's all that I got in my first transaction, you guys. And so before any digital coupons came off, my total for all of this came out to be $38.92. I used a total of $18 in digital coupons, so that brought my total down to $20.92. Now for this transaction, I had a digital booster get $5 in Walgreens cash when you spend $20. I wanted to use $10 in Walgreens cash on this transaction, but also still be able to get my $5 in Walgreens cash for spending $20. So again, my total came out to be $38.92. I used $18 in coupons. So the only other amount that I needed to spend out of pocket in order to reach $20 is just $2. So I was able to use my $10 in Walgreens cash, you guys. So let me go ahead and show you all my receipt. So there is the Dove at $3.99, the second one half off at $1.99, my Schick Hydro Silk at $5.99, Schick Extreme at $5.99, both Colgate at $3.99, so $7.98, the Schick Hydro at $8.99, and then there's my third Dove at $3.99. All of my digital coupons came off. $4 for the Schick Extreme, $4 for the Hydro, $4 for the Hydro Silk, $3 for the Dove, $3 for the Colgate. So it brought my subtotal to $20.92. As you guys can see, I used $10 in Walgreens cash rewards. I paid the $10.92 out of pocket using my Walgreens MasterCard. And then down here where it says earned this visit, I did earn back $19.80. So my total came out to be $20.92, but I earned back $19.80. So $20.92 minus that $19.80 that I got back in Walgreens cash rewards, that brought my total down to $1.12. Of that $19.80, I got back $5 for the Dove, $5 for both razors in the Schick Hydro Touch-Up, $4 for the Colgate, and $5 for spending $20, and then the extra 80 cents came from the Walgreens Everyday. So that's where all of the money came from. So now my total is at $1.12. But remember, Fetch Rewards is giving back $1.25 for the Dove. The limit is 5. I purchased 3. So Fetch Rewards gave me a total of $3.92 back. So $1.12 minus the $3.92 that I got back from Fetch Rewards, that made this transaction completely free, plus a $2.80 moneymaker. So this was a fantastic transaction for me, you guys. I had absolutely no issues with this transaction. I got back all of my rewards. All of my digitals came off with no problem. So this was a really, really good transaction, you guys. So if you have that $5 digital booster, all of the digital coupons, the $125 Fetch Rewards offer, you can go and do this exact same deal. So that's everything for this transaction, you guys. So now let's go ahead and move on over to the second transaction. So for the second transaction, I went ahead and I purchased the Downy Unstoppables in wash scent boosters, Tide Pods, and Tide Liquid. So these items are priced at Walgreens this week for $11.99. The deal is when you buy 3, you will receive a $10 register reward. So I went to the PG Good Everyday website and I printed off these 3 coupons. I printed off a $2 off of Tide Pods. It's 23 counts or larger. A $2 coupon for the Tide Liquid, 69 ounce or larger. And then I printed off this $2 coupon for the Downy Unstoppables in wash scent boosters. As you guys can see right here, it says in wash scent boosters, 10 ounce or larger. So I printed these 3 coupons from the PG Good Everyday website. So when you purchase 3, guys, at $11.99, that's going to bring your total to $35.97. Minus those 3 coupons, that's going to bring your total down to $29.97. Now, I had an issue with this, guys. The P&G coupons, sometimes I just really don't like using P&G coupons because they always, for the most part, give me a hard time. So the only coupon that scanned with no problem for me was the Tide Liquid. This one scanned. The Tide Pods did not scan. nor did this $2 off coupon scanned. The lady told me that she was going to go ahead and enter them in manually this time, but she did mention that they were told that if coupons don't scan, then they won't be able to type them in. But she did say that she will go ahead and enter them in for me. So just to let you guys know, if you decide to do this deal, you can go to the PG Good Everyday website, print off these 3 exact coupons, but just know there's a chance that that all of them won't scan. It is up to your store whether they push them through or not. So $35.97 minus $6 in digital coupons, that brought my total down to $29.97. On this transaction, I had a digital booster get $6 in Walgreens cash when you spend $25. I also wanted to use $10 in Walgreens cash on this order, but on this transaction, but still receive my $6 for spending $25. So let me go ahead and show you my receipt. So each item rung up at $11.99. There are all 3 of the $2 digital coupons. Total came out to be $29.97. I used $10 in Walgreens cash rewards, paid the rest out of pocket using my Walgreens MasterCard. And then I did get back $7.13. So of that $7.13, $10 came from the digital booster, get $6 when you spend $25. And then the $1.13 is the extra Walgreens everyday points. Along with this $10 registry reward that I received for buying 3. So $29.97 minus the $7.13 that I received back in Walgreens cash rewards, that brought my total down to $22.84. Minus this $10 registry reward right here, that brought my total down to $12.84 for all 3 products, or it makes each item just $4.28, which in my opinion is a really great price. So paying $4.28 when the regular price is $12, this is most definitely a good deal to do. I am going to go back to Walgreens and use these 3 coupons, but I'm going to a different Walgreens, so hopefully they enter all of them in. But I did want to go ahead and mention that to you guys. So that is everything that I got in my second transaction. And I also forgot to show you guys that this printed off for me in my first transaction. This Revlon coupon, save $4 off your next Revlon beauty tools purchase. And then I also got the paper booster, get $9 in Walgreens cash when you spend $40. So that is everything for this transaction, you guys. I hope you all enjoyed this video. If you did, please give me a thumbs up. And right now, if you are not subscribed to my channel, go ahead and click that red subscribe button right now, along with the notification bell. Also, go ahead and give me a follow over on Instagram. My Instagram account is linked in the description box below. I am almost at 1,000 followers, and I'm thinking about doing a giveaway, but I'm not sure yet. So go ahead and give me a follow over there. Don't forget to submit your receipts to Fetch Rewards. As you guys know, I submitted my receipt. I did get back $3.92. And then for my second receipt with the Tide, I just got back 25 points. If you are not using Fetch Rewards, I will have that linked in the description box below, along with my code on the screen for you. When you sign up using my code, you will receive 2,000 points, which is $2. So that is going to be it for this video, you guys. Don't forget to drop me some comments down in the comment section below, letting me know what you are getting this week at Walgreens. And also, if you do the Tide deal and you print off the P&G coupons, let me know if those coupons scan for you or not. So that's going to be it, and I hope you guys enjoy the rest of your day. Bye.